minus 4 is the greater. Okay students, understood? Now we will see the second method, that is nothing but using LCM of denominators. If the denominator is same, no problem, we can represent in the number line. If the denominator is different, what you need to do? First ensure, see the rules, these rules are important. First ensure that the denominators are positive integers. First ensure the denominator should be always positive. Take LCM of the denominators. The denominators will be different, so you need to take LCM of the denominators. Convert the rational number into their equivalent rational numbers with the LCM as the denominator. The denominator should be same after taking the LCM. After taking the LCM, the denominator will be same. Then you need to convert them into equivalent rational numbers. Okay students? The rational number with greater numerator is greater. The rational number with greater, the number which has, if I am having here greater numerator, sorry, 36 by 30. Okay, here in this, which number has greater numerator? This has the greater numerator. Therefore, this is the greatest number. That's what they are saying. Okay, we will see the example. Now see the example here. Here we have the example minus 4 by 15 and minus 3 by 15. Check first what you need to do. Check the denominator whether we are having positive integer. No, one is negative, so you need to convert this into positive. So convert it into positive means what I have said, you need to multiply into minus 1. So 4 into minus 1 into both numerator and the denominator. So you are getting minus, plus into minus, minus 4. Here minus into minus, plus, so plus 15. Now minus 4 by 15. Now you can check both the, now you check both the denominators are having same, is positive or not. Yes, it is positive. Now take the LCM. How you will take LCM? LCM, you need to take LCM in 5 table. 3s are 2. Again 3, 1, 2. Again 2 table, 2, 1, 1. So 5 into 3, 15. 15 into 2, 15 into 2, 30. So 30 is the LCM. Understood students? So 30 is the LCM. Now what you need to do? To get 30, what you will do? Here 4, 15. So 15 into 2. Denominator also into 2. Numerator also into 2. So minus 8 by 30. Then in 10 table, how many times 30 will go? 3 times. So 10 into 3 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Now the answer is minus 9 by 30. So now we are getting both the denominators are same now. See here, both the denominators are same. Now you can compare directly. Minus 8 by 30 minus 9 by 30. Understood students? Now see in the denominator which is in numerator which is the greatest number, which is greater here. Negative means what I have said, negative means minus 8 by 30 minus 9 by 30, which is near, which will be nearer to the 0, minus 8. So this is the greater number. Now write with the original number. What is the original number they have given? Question 4 by 15 minus 15 minus 3 by 10. So what is the, this for minus 8 by 10 is nothing but 4 by minus 15. This is greater than minus 3 by 10. You need to write with the original question. Understood students? Since we have both the negative numbers, negative number what I have said, 0 kitte edu irukko adha greater number. So minus 8 by 30 is greater. 8 by 30 na adu eppadi convert panni vechirukom, idoda number 4 by minus 15. So see here, they have written with the original numbers. That's all students. You will see another example also. See here, we have another example. You need to write it in the ascending order. What they have given? They have given 3 numbers. Check whether, first what you need to do, check whether the denominator is negative or positive. It should be in the positive, but only one is negative. So you need to convert that. We have converted. Now check all the denominators are positive. Now what you need to do? You need to take the LCM. Take the LCM. If you take LCM, you will get 42. That is 7, 21, 14. Just take the LCM. 7s are 1, 3, 2. Now again 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14. So again 1, 1, 2. Again 2 table, 2, 1, 1, 1. Okay. 7 into 3, 21. 21 into 2, 42. Understood students? So the LCM is 42. So the LCM is 42. Understood? Now you just see this. After that what you need to do? You need to multiply with the denominators. You need to make it as a equivalent fraction. In 7 table, how many times 42 will go? 6 times. So you need to multiply both numerator and denominator into 6. Again 21 table, 2 times 42. So into 2 into 2. Again in 14 table, 14 3s are. So numerator also into 3, denominator also into 3. Now for all we have got the same denominators. Understood students? Same denominators we have got. Now what you need to do, you just compare that. இதில் இப்போ எல்லாமே நெகட்டிவாக இருக்கிறதுனால just check it out which will be the nearer. First இதான் greater number, -6 தான் first வரும், next -10, next -36. So -6 is the greatest number, next greatest number is -10, then -36. You just write this in the ascending order. See here, we have written in the ascending order. First -6, then -5/21 is nothing but the question number. See here, question number, then -2/14. That's all about this ascending order. In the same way, you need to write it in the descending order. Means you need to write this is descending order, this is descending order, this is ascending order. That's all students. We will just convert this also. Compare the rational number -5/9 and 2/9. How you will compare this? They have the same numbers. First, how you will convert whether this negative number is greater or positive number is greater. Positive number. So 2/9 is the greater number. If you have checked the denominator, it is same. So no problem. You can directly compare. That's all about the students. Try to solve the practice zone 3 fully. That is 1, 2, 3. Both the 3 questions. Thank you students.